Good afternoon. Here we are at the BSc Physiotherapy premises, Colombo. Today it's a special day here because of the awarding ceremony here for the poster competition 2012 with that held on Facebook to celebrate the World Physiotherapy Day 2012. It's not a big secret that who's the winner now. Yes, that's Ruwan Darshika. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. So we are going to have some little talk and ask what some of the questions that we need to clarify. Ruwan, is it okay with you? Okay. We talk and first of all I would like to ask that did you really think that you are going to win this competition?
70% of confidence I had, I will win the competition. But 30% it was not sure.
Then the intention of doing this physiotherapy day competition, poster competition, was to divert the users of Facebook or internet to the useful.
Yeah.
So, in your point of view, what is your point of view about that?
This is really important because easily we can give a message to the public through the Facebook. Especially the most of the Facebook users are younger generation, so we can catch up. We can get them to we can give them our message which we want very easily through the Facebook. So this is very important and very useful.
And also, I would like to know that the biggest problem that other contestants was faced is the promotion, lack of promotion. So, what is your advice, or what are your strategies to promote a certain kind of a creation?
Number one is working hard. Suppose I was there in the Facebook minimum 8 hours per day only for the promotion of the poster. So minimum 8 hours, maximum sometimes it was 12 hours.
So, and what would be your advice or moral to the Facebook users?
Certainly, in the technology there are two things, good and bad. This kind of promotion or this kind of message giving is very useful event or very useful for the public. So other than using the bad things, we can get the technology for this kind of good thing.
Okay. And finally, I would like to ask that do you want to say something to the people who like you, comment your share your creation?
Everyone, I want to say thank you for their like, for their share and everything.
So that's the end of the interview that we are going to have with Ruwan Darshika. Now is the time for the award.
Creativity is the best solution for every problem, and creativity is the movement. I warmly welcome you all to this very important occasion, where it is the prize giving of the competition held on Facebook from the 1st to the 15th of September in conjunction with the World Physiotherapy Day. So this competition was posters for physiotherapy. So there were 10 contestants actually, and we have now, the board of judges actually have now come up with 5 runners-up, and I will now be reading out the results of the 5 runners-up. So the 5th runner-up is Tiruvarangam Swaminathan with 35 and 4th runners-up Helani Ranasuriya with 19 likes and 17 shares. 3rd runners-up Nuwan Shanaka Rodrigo with 102 likes and 2 shares. 2nd runners-up Vigalya Viswalingam. The 1st runner-up is Akila Vikramalakshi with 112 likes and 60 shares. And it is my pleasure and great honor to announce to you the winner of the competition out of the 10 contestants with the highest likes and the highest total share and 17 comments as well. we have Ruan Darshika. The topic of his course is motion analyze, which is about plastic physiotherapy. This is true physics research is based on motion analysis. So it went under the category of scientific data presentation. So Mr. Ruan Darshika, I cordially invite you to express your views regarding your course.
I will explain what is motion analysis in a few minutes. In motion analysis, if I start from the start of the motion analysis, it has been started from the vision analysis. Means the naked eye, they have analyzed the movement, which was very difficult to identify the movement. Then it was developed up to video analysis. Means just take a video and then they have look at it with slow motion. Then they have analyzed. Then next thing is it develops up to software. They have used software to analyze the motion. First it was 2D analysis. Then it has developed to 3D because of there are several errors or several wrong things, lot of wrong data has been get with the 2D analysis. So then it has developed up to 3D analysis. Now it is very advanced technology. Now they can analyze even the pressure, the resistance, muscle rep, and huge lot of things with motion analysis. So, but still in Sri Lanka, we are in very low level in the motion analysis. Even I don't suppose they have not gone more than 2 years life. Even there are no any 3 years life software to see here. So suppose in the future we will promote this 3 years life in Sri Lanka. Thank you.
We request you to stay back, Mr. Darshika. So you could, as we come to the main event of the occasion today. So I invite Mr. Nuan Rodrigo, Secretary of the Physiotherapy Student Welfare Society, President of the IT Club, and the Editor of Therapist newspaper, stage for the presentation. And I invite you to hand over the gift, the prize, to our winner. We award you a cash. Time to sum up the occasion today, and on behalf of the organizing committee, I thank all of you for participating in this event. It is a great courage and a pleasure to see all of you here, and I hope you all, and thank you for the support that you rendered to Mr. Ruan Darshika and to all the organizing committee and the judges of the presentation. Thank you.